Alright, so
Well,
here we are.
I'm gonna be combining it. Yeah.
Combining it with what?
Like stopping in parts and stuff.
Oh.
Alright,
Like I'm
well,
recording right now. I can stop
come all
when I
the way
want
to the
to.
top.
I'm streaming right now.
So Chris, fuck you in the ears, okay?
Hey, Charcoal
I don't
980.
know if my thing can hear you guys though. I don't know if it can hear
Oh,
me
that's
either.
weird.
Alright, well,
Hey,
I'm up at the top already, destroying
Hold
the
on, I'm
fuck
gonna
out of this thing.
oh, yeah, let me TP to you, dude. I wanna help raid this
No, I'm not gonna play
motherfucker.
it, so never mind.
Oh, Jesus. Got any shears I could have, bro?
Yeah, dude, 1 second. Here.
Just
Oh,
raid the shit.
now they're on the floor over there.
Shit.
Oh my fucking god, it's already all going.
What?
Fucking niggers.
Fuck, man.
Oh my god.
What happened?
This is gonna be really... Oh. Oh, great.
I don't know where you guys went, but okay.
A lot of turbulence now.
I had to go to spawn real quick. Could you accept that, please, after?
Yeah, dude, wait.
Alright, deal.
Send that again.
Because I, like, fell. Oh, shit.
So did I.
Hold on.
Oh, here it
Alright,
is.
well I have no idea if my video could hear you, but
Oh
I
fucking
can hear you
god,
guys, so
dude, this is... I'm not even looking at them, that's the sad part.
I hope I don't die.
this is so efficient. I love it.
Let's raid the crap out of this piece of shit.
I know, right? We're so gonna read this.
Got any shears, bro?
Yeah, I already threw you already. There's one shear all the way over there. Go grab it.
I'm
Alright,
getting a little bit of lag here.
Shit, why do I keep doing this? God, I keep getting knocked off by this fucking thing. Sorry for keep TPing, though. Just this thing.
This is lovely.
Very much lovely.
I've always wanted to raid an enderman.
What you're breaking to me is like... Watch out, I'm right here. No! No! Chill! Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, leg.
I found a pair of shears just kind of hanging here.
Yeah.
Wait, so he didn't do it. So he didn't do it all the way down. How many layers did he do of this?
I don't know. I didn't count. I'm not worried about that.
It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 only.
No, he is way more than that. Unless he was lying.
I mean with like the pistons and stuff.
Yeah, he did more layers than that.
Oh, he did? Okay, line or something.
Raiding the F out of this.
This takes so long though. What the?
And he's apparently gonna raid me too.
Yeah.
I don't know how he's gonna get to my base, but he's apparently gonna raid me.
Yeah, that's what he said.
But he's not the county bases, so okay.
Sucks because it's Tectonic was walking around the old spawn, hit my dog, and that's how I was notified that someone was by my base. So they might have saw.
What? What are you talking about?
So I had a dog above my base, and someone hit it, and then the dog teleported to me. I did dash top.
Oh, Humpty, can you go up there and get that layer?
I did dash.
If I can get up
was
there,
running
sure.
away.
Just kill her up with the wool blocks.
And yeah.
I got ender pearls.
Or do that. And fall all the way down too, while you're at it.
I'm like not gathering like most of the stuff that I'm really like. Hello? Don't blame me. I don't know how to build these things. So.
To reset their fall.
God, why'd you do that? I was gonna break that one, okay?
Okay, I didn't know it was a big deal. We'll break so. I mean, we'll breaks what?
Well,
Sorry.
it
I
is
fucking
now.
all the items right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all
I'm
this stuff at the
pillaring back
bottom.
up
Peter,
to
fuck
break
off.
more stuff.
No,
Go.
no, I'm not gonna fuck off. You little nigga. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey.
Just TP out, or did you do dash top? You did dash top. And I'm just gonna sit down here and see that.
Alright, that's fine. I like raiding. It's fun. He's gonna ask tomorrow, who the fuck did it? Humpty, did you have anything to do in it? I'm gonna say
Well,
yes.
he's obviously gonna see it
Because
because he watches my channel. Holy
Yeah, she's gonna post it on her YouTube channel and everything.
Yeah, I know, but like... Oof. He asked me about the other one, but I
Doesn't
didn't.
it make you happy though to get somebody that you don't really like?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm
does
talking to
anyone
Humpty. Like Humpty,
Oh.
doesn't it like give you a good feeling though?
Does anyone have any
Yeah,
soak up
I've done it
water
before. Not like anybody on this. I've done it to like people else.
You getting everything up there, Humpty?
Yeah, I'm not leaving.
No!
It's some
Holy
weird sounds
shit,
you're
dude!
making.
You fucked this place up. There's nothing
Yeah.
literally left now.
Exactly.
Holy shit! Hooray! Hooray!
What did I fall through? Oh, I fell through one of those blocks that like randomly disappeared. Oh my
That
god,
sucks.
gamer, you don't even know how mad I am right now.
We told you
You
to
had
break shit.
stuff on anyway.
Yeah, I actually don't really care. I was kidding. I'm not really mad. I don't care.
You don't know how mad I am right
You don't know
now.
how mad I am. I'm not mad at all.
Alright, whoever wants those enchantment tables and bookshelves and all that, you guys can
I'll
have them.
take it.
I don't want them.
Nigger, get out of here.
Or actually, I don't need it.
Oh shit. I'm gonna do this for my fucking
I'm leaving nothing
The
behind.
funny thing is, he's just gonna go and use Nico now for his undergrinder. He's just gonna use Nico's and never make one.
Did he ever finish
gonna
his
break
enderman
Nico's?
grinder? It doesn't look
I
like
don't
he
know.
actually finished it.
Fuck this, man. I'm raiding the shit out of this.
I just lost so many pistons.
I love how nobody's watching my stream.
Oh wow. Oh, all these fresh plates still.
Fuck, I have to get that shit.
Get what
I
shit?
have to. There's stuff up there.
Wait, is there two enchant? Oh, I thought there was two.
Alright,
That's it.
I'm not leaving any-
Ender pearls.
behind.
Oh no,
Okay.
the rest of it I'm just blowing up.
Alright,
Like right
well,
now, I'm going to get TNT.
Wait, I want to get TNT as well. Shh.
Sweet old-fashioned emulhe. I don't even know what the hell that means. I just learned SpongeBob.
That's nice.
What?
Yeah.
This is definitely hot. Oh!
Oh my god, Mary, please
You
do
don't
not
even
scream.
know what just happened.
Yaha.
Ready, I'm about to fall.
Oh shit, oh no.
Oh
I fell. Alright, I broke it, except for one piece of wool.
Everything's pretty much missing already, dude.
Yeah, I know.
no! Oh, nice save. Whew. That was good.
Some of these stacks of pearls.
I would say very good success. No! PvP! PvP.
You got hacked, bruh. You got hacked.
How am I not dead?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yo, I was just gang up on her. Gang up on her.
No! No! Don't gang up on me. What are you doing?
Oh.
God damn.
I'm gonna kill myself.
And you had a green disc? What?
Oh shit, no, I want that.
Do you?
Yeah, I really actually kind of
Fuck
want
did you?
that.
Why did you have it?
I don't know.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Peter, don't touch me, please.
Oh no,
Thank
don't
you.
touch me.
Here,
There
take
is
that.
someone.
Oh, did you get my food? Please tell me you got my food.
Yeah.
Alright, I need that food.
Here.
Help me, please.
Thank you.
I
Kill
swear
her.
to God! I swear to
Kill
God,
that
gamer!
bitch. Kill
I
her.
swear to
mean
God,
that.
you evil! I swear to God, so help me God, you push me up.
Get her.
Oh, boost it. No,
Get her.
stop. No, 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 no. I just
Pet her.
no, don't pet me.
What the fuck?
Wait, what? Why did I get every water is so messed up
Peter
in this?
Petter. Yeah, no,
fuck?
water.
Shit, my screen
It's so
recording got messed
glitchy.
up.
She's teleported over.
Alright.
Stop.
Oh, oh god. Oh, that's hilarious.
That was fucking great.
That's hot.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Let me fix this really quick.
Shit, you still recording, Peter?
Yes, I started
Alright.
recording when we started doing the PvP.
Oh, man,
Get the fuck out of my way, Enderman. Fuck off, nigga.
I can't teleport
Back
back.
tail.
I
can't
am like,
teleport
oh
back. It says hole in the floor.
hey, no, I got stuff I want.
Get her.
Niglet, you know
Get
what?
her. Get her.
Get,
Get her.
get. Oh my god, my screen recorder is
Yeah.
getting in my way.
Get it.
Minecraft
Get
settings.
it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it.
What just
What
happened?
the
Where are you?
fuck? What the
I don't
fuck?
know.
Where'd you go?
My,
Oh.
Locked out.
My mind. My
Fucking bitch
Minecraft.
ass Enderman. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch
1
ass
second, Brian.
nigga. What you gonna do? You ain't gonna get me.
Oh, he didn't. He actually picked up.
Where'd you go?
Oh, you too, Peter.
No,
Get out of here, Peter.
God, nigger.
Hey, don't say that.
That's
You're
too
in
bad,
my
I'm
now. You're on my chat right now in fucking stream. Don't say that.
What?
Don't say that word.
Dang it, my screen recorder is getting so messed up because of this.
Alright. That's it. That was a good raid.
Yep,
That
yep.
wasn't very
Yeah.
No. Oh my god.
You okay there?
Oh.
Peter, you like
Okay, Viper,
Peter,
we
you can
just,
stop.
did a
Peter, you can stop
raid.
recording if you want.
Alright, alright.
We just raided.